Did you know? Actually, your home is full of hidden treasures. Don't believe it? Just keep watching. 1. Soften a bottle cap using fire, press with a straw, and cut off the tip. And boom, you've got a simple seasoning bottle. 2. Take an empty laundry detergent bottle. Cut along the lines as shown in the video. Separate the pieces, use the cap to create a wavy edge, and trim accordingly. Shape the handle area into a sunflower design. Mark and punch holes at the bottom, fill it with soil, plant flowers, and you've got a handy flower pot. Pouring in beer is easy too. 3. Leftover food often clogs the sink. Burn some small holes in the bottom of a plastic bottle and 2 more on the sides. Stick a hook on the edge of the sink and hang the bottle. No more clogged drains and no dirty hands when cleaning. 4. Cut off the neck of a bottle and insert it into a bag of millet. You can control how much pours out. Screw on the cap. It's a DIY bag sealer. Thread a steel scrubber through the bottle's hole, screw on the cap, and you've got a safe way to wash dishes without hurting your hands. 5. Remove the handle from a bottle and it turns into a multi-purpose scoop. Perfect for rice or flour. Clean and convenient. 6. Cut an empty bottle as shown, including a small slit in the middle. Place your long hair inside and blow dry. You'll get stylish waves instantly. 7. Don't throw away empty laundry detergent bottles. Use a hot nail to burn small holes into the cap and another one near the handle. It becomes a controlled flow watering can. Eco-friendly and durable. 8. Cut a bottle in half and place it in your fridge door. It's perfect for organizing small items. Add a clip and mount it on the wall. Now you've got a mini hanging storage box great for sauce packets. 9. Cut a bottle in the middle and stick it inside your cabinet door. Now you can store garbage bags and cling wrap neatly. Easy to grab, looks tidy, and saves time. 10. Cut the top part off an oil container. Burn small holes around the edge and hang clips on it. Ta-da! A sock drying rack that fits the whole family's socks. 11th. Want a cup dispenser? Slide a cup into a bottle top, cut off the head, and trim the edge into a pouring shape. Cut the bottom part, but don't go all the way through. And poke a hole. 12. Poke small holes in an empty plastic bottle, insert it into the soil in a flower pot, and pour water into the bottle. It will evenly water the plant. 13. Cut an empty bottle as shown in the video and hang it on the kitchen faucet. It becomes a holder for your dishwashing sponge. 14. Trash on the cutting board is hard to clean. Simply cut a large empty bottle and it transforms into a handy wall-mounted trash bin. 15. Take the handle from an old oil bottle and screw it onto a lid that doesn't have one. It's neat and looks good too. 16. Cut off the top half of a bottle, put a tissue over the opening, attach it to the back of a hairdryer. Turn on cold air. Boom. It's a mini vacuum that sucks up dust from tight spaces. 17. Grab 3 empty bottles and cover them with clay. Connect them together, add a tiger tail and head, and now you have a cute DIY pen holder. 18. Remove pull tabs from soda cans and hang them on a hanger. Now you've got an infinite nesting doll closet. Saves space and keeps things tidy. 19. Remove the handles from empty bottles. They become free phone holders. Hang them on the faucet for draining cloths or holding pot lids. 20. Cut off the top half of the empty oil jug. Make symmetrical holes on both sides. Place it over a roll of toilet paper. Slide a chopstick through and hang it in the bathroom. No more wet toilet paper and super easy to pull. 21st. Cut the bottle like in the video. Use it to store plates vertically. Saves a lot of space. 22. Cut the oil jug in half. Remove the cap and ring. Turn it upside down and place it at the door. Now you have a rain umbrella holder for wet days. No more puddles all over the house. 23. Never throw away used water bottles. Make a hole in the cap, insert a cotton swab, then use a chopstick to hold the bottle over your plant's filter paper. Now you've got a simple water drip system. Your plants won't dry out while you're traveling. 23rd. Take an old plastic jug at home. Just like in the video, draw a shape on it, then cut along the lines with a knife. And just like that, a perfect scoop. You can use it for flour, rice. Super convenient, right? 24. Cut off the top half of a bottle. Flip it upside down and place it inside the bottom half. Now you've got a soap holder that drains water easily after use. 25. Cut off the top half of a bottle again. This time, place it inside the side door of your fridge. No need to buy a storage box. Clip it on the side and voila, a hanging organizer. Great for storing tea bags and small stuff. 26. Cut a bottle in half across the middle and stick it inside a cabinet door. Now it holds your roll of garbage bags so you don't have to go searching every time you need one. 27th. First, poke 2 small holes near the bottom of the bottle, about 2 centimeters apart. Take 2 straws and insert them into the holes. Secure them with hot glue. Bend both straws downward and trim them shorter. Important: the lower straw should be 1 to 2 centimeters shorter than the upper one. Here's what it should look like once done. Now fill the bottle with water and stand it up. You'll see, the long straw keeps pulling in air and the short one keeps draining water. Once the water rises above the long straw, the water flow stops. When the top straw is exposed again, the water flows again. You can use this to water plants at home. If you have cats or dogs, it's also a great way to keep their water dish filled automatically. 28th. Fit a paper cup and bottle together, poke a small hole, just big enough for a straw. Cut the mouth of the paper cup and insert the bottle. Draw a cute elephant face, pinch the trunk, and pour in juice or water. Seal the lid. You've got a DIY air pressure water dispenser that makes kids love drinking water. 29th. Cutting boards stored flat tend to get moldy. Take an empty dish soap bottle. Follow the video to mark and cut. Now you've got a rack to dry cutting boards and prevent mold. 30. Remove the cap of an oil bottle. Mark and cut symmetrical flaps. Don't cut them off completely. Screw the cap back on. Now you've got storage for small household tools. Didn't catch all that? Save it and watch slowly later. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We share small life hacks every day.